When you enter keywords in the library search, the system looks for those keywords in different parts of the item's record, such as title, author, subject, or description. That information is called metadata. Metadata is information about items in the catalog that help you find what you're looking for. You can narrow your search by focusing on one part of that metadata, like the title field. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Then enter your search terms in the text box and press enter, or click the magnifying glass to perform your search. For example, if I'm researching solar and wind energy, I can do a normal keyword search for solar, wind, energy. By default, the results screen shows all the item records in the catalog that contain the terms I entered in all of their metadata fields. It's good that there's so much information available related to the keywords solar, wind, energy, but also a bit overwhelming for me as a researcher. I'd like to narrow things down so the search system only looks for items that contain those keywords in their title. To do that, I can click Advanced Search, and now I see my same initial keywords along with a drop-down menu set to All Fields. If I click that, I have several options to choose from, including Title. I'll select that and then click the Search button. The system now shows me all the items in the catalog that contain the words solar, wind, energy within the title field. It's not as many results as my original search, but it's likely that these items are more relevant for the research I'm doing. I can see some ebooks that look good, and if I scroll down a bit, I can see an article from an academic journal. These all have the keywords solar, wind, energy in their title, and will be a great place to start my research. Remember that the system will only look for the text you enter. So if you're not getting the results you're looking for, double check that your words are spelled correctly. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.